Castellum.AI workflow feature allows users to review results quickly and efficiently. Once you have run a screen in the advanced search, batch screening, or scheduled screening, follow these steps to process your results. First, select Start Onboarding Workflow. Select one, multiple, or all matches to start processing. Process results using our standardized disposition options. Choose whether the results are true positives, false positives, or need additional information. Select the match type and reason for the match. Provide additional detail and analysis as necessary. Finally, select Submit to create an audit trail. You can separately then export a PDF report of your results and how they were dispositioned by selecting the Workflow PDF button. Try Castellum AI onboarding workflow feature today